All right, let me show you how I did ML. First, you have to take this center console off. Do that by pulling on this, and then this. There are 2 screws in here. They have to lift up, and then after that, you'll be able to take this underside of the control panel, as you can see. Now, what I tapped into was the first white wire, the one I'm holding into right now, which is 2 to the right, or 2 to the left of the most right side. You can see I tapped into it here, and this is the white wire from this box here. Now this is the lock wire. The unlock wire is this one here, and this is separate. So I tapped into this wire, and this pertains to the, let's see, it's the white and black wire on this little control module. With that, then the 2 yellow wires go to a ground, and then this red wire goes for 12-volt positive power. I took these 2 wires, I brought them through here underneath and to the secondary fuse box over there, because there's a positive and a negative terminal for 12 volt. So this is super cheap. I got this for $15 on Amazon with free Prime shipping. And so, you know, it works exactly the way you want it to. All it does for me is lock and unlock, because that's all I wired it to. The other wires here are only used for things like wiring up the lights if you want it to blink when you unlock or lock the doors, but that's just too much work for me, so I stuck with just using the lock and unlock.